The Sony ZV-1 is so good, I thought I would just do a whole series about this particular camera. So I've done a 7-part series, and every part I talk about a different aspect of the camera. Just remember, the whole series is a review of the ZV-1. This is going to be part 1. I hope you enjoy it, and keep an eye out for the rest of it. Thanks for watching. 13 degrees. Top off her Jeep. That girl right there is tough. I'm on the ZV-1 again today. I'm just going to film all this as I go. I want to try out the slow motion. I don't shoot a lot of slow motion with this camera. I got these flags over here. They're dancing around pretty good in the wind. Yesterday it was 64 degrees, 65 degrees, perfect, no wind, just excellent day. Today it's down to 36, north wind about 30 miles an hour. So that's Oklahoma for you, of course. I want to try some of the slow motion. I want to do a 120. Then I want to shoot it with the 960 or whatever this camera will do. These we'll shoot some slow motion on these flags and put it in this video. So hopefully you enjoy that. So about 6 months ago, I bought some new clubs in the spring of last year, and I played kind of through the spring and summer, and I developed a really hitch in my swing as far as my golf swing go, and I started hitting it off the toe so bad that it would go straight sideways. I mean, I couldn't even keep a ball in bounds when I was hitting an iron shot. It would just go straight, I mean straight sideways. If you know anything about golf, it looked kind of like a shank, but it wasn't a shank. It was hit off the toe. So, and I got about to the end of summer with that, and I got so frustrated that some of my clubs got damaged. Let's just say that. So, I took my clubs back in to get repaired to the pro shop here, and they haven't been able to find or locate any replacement shafts for my clubs that were damaged. So I want to go in here and pick them up, and I'm going to take them down to the golf shop downtown, and hopefully that guy will be able to help me, at least let me know what I need to order in order to get it repaired, because I think it's going to be easier for me to find the shafts than it is for these guys out here at the club to find the shafts, or for the guy downtown to find the shafts. Sometimes it's just easier for an individual to find products these days and order them from different sources online. Now I want to try the old product showcase out and see how it works, but I picked up those golf clubs and this is what they look like. I could say they've been damaged. So yeah, somebody went a little bit crazy on the golf clubs, and I don't know how that happened exactly. I just pulled up my club out of the bag and it seemed to be damaged for some reason. I've moved over to all the newer kind of Sony cameras, the A7S III, the A7 IV. They all had the menu systems, and I kind of grown up with the Sony cameras. I've been using them for a while. So the old menu system didn't bother me at all, but I'm telling you, when you've been using the new menu systems and have to revert back to the old Sony menu system, man, you see what people what the complaints used to be about the old Sony menu system. I mean, it is clunky. Things are hard to find. I mean, I still kind of remember, and it's not too bad for me to get around. But if you're brand new to the system, I can see where that would be a huge issue. I mean, this stuff's crazy all over everywhere. And then sometimes you'll just push stuff, and it'll come up with an error, or you can't use it in this mode, or you can't do this, or you can't do that, but it won't tell you how to fix it. It won't tell you why. So you kind of have to figure all that out on your own. So old Sony menu system really did suck. I'm glad that they're changing it. Hopefully all the cameras going forward have the new menu system. That old system just bad. Thanks for watching part 1 of the 7 days of the ZV-1 challenge. We'll see you on day 2. Thanks for watching.